Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Pinterest shopping ads or catalog ads on a brand new account step by step from setup to launching the ad. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Pinterest business account. Go to business.pinterest.com and sign up for a business account. Fill in your business name, country, and website link if you have one. Step 2. Optimize your profile. Make your profile look good. Add a clear name according to your store or business. Write a short bio about what you do. Upload a cover photo. Create 2 to 3 boards and add a few pins using good keywords. This builds trust. Step 3. Connect your website to Pinterest. This lets Pinterest track action on your website. If you use Shopify, install the Pinterest app from the Shopify dashboard. Follow the steps to connect and install the Pinterest tag. If you use WordPress, install a plugin like Pinterest for WooCommerce. Connect your site and set up the tag. Step 4. Upload product catalog. Your product should automatically show in Pinterest if your website is connected. Go to ads, then catalogs to check. If not, you can upload manually using a product feed or CSV file. Step 5. Create your shopping ad. Now I'm gonna share my screen and show you how to run Pinterest shopping ads step by step.
Hey, I'm Javed, owner and founder of Grow Pinterest. Grow Pinterest is a Pinterest marketing management service agency. Since 2020, we have been helping businesses grow their brand on Pinterest and makes millions plus of sales just from Pinterest ads. If you wanna grow your business on Pinterest, feel free to connect with me. Here you can see this is the account, and on this account we're gonna running the shopping or catalog ads. So here you can see at the beginning we need to understand that our website is connected or not. So our first task will be connected the website with the Shopify. So here you can see the Shopify and our already connected. So here you can see in Pinterest, if we go to the Pinterest, so here you can see after clicking the Pinterest, you can see it's showing that our account is connected, everything is connected perfectly. How you can do this? You just need to install Pinterest tag to your Shopify store and connect it with this account, following the right step. This is pretty easy. So from there, we just simply going to the catalog so that we can find out that our catalog is okay or not. So let's take a look at the catalog. So here you can see our catalog is approved. Here you can see merchant status is approved, and here you can see our product are listed here. And if you go to the direct product, we have 14,000 product listed. That means we're prepared for the product catalog. So from there, we just need to go to the create campaign. So let's go to the create campaign. Well, the process is very simple. You just need to stay patient and see how we are running the campaign. So it's very simple. We just going here you can see there's a 5 type of ads. As we are running shopping ads, so that we're gonna choose catalog sales. So here you can see drive sales on your product with shopping ads. That means catalog sales. So we have a name here. We can add anything according to our name. Let's say if we are running the catalog sales on a t-shirt, on any category, we can write anything. But for now, as a demo, we are going to as it is. I'm going to put as it is. So for now, we do with or your desired budget you can do. So we're gonna put $30. So normally in terms of budget, you can start with $10, and in the maximum thing you can go whenever you want. From there, we give it a group name also. The process is very simple, and here you go, everything is automatic. So make sure if you are running the catalog campaign first time, so make sure the creative optimization is on. So it's very simple. So from there, you can choose any product. Let's say we're gonna go with the kids, we're gonna go with the beauty and wellness or pets. So from there, as you can see, we chosen these 3 categories, and in these 3 categories we got 43 items. If we add more new arrivals, so here you can see 308 items. See, and generate background. So how our ads will look like. From there, you can choose your any categories from your website, and from there everything as it is. So generate background. If you want your background generated automatically with AI, you can enable this. So we're gonna go with enable this. Your action button, we need shop now. So here shop now. If you have book now, or if you have a good deal or sell, you can do this. For now, if you're running any campaign for let's say best deal, so you can go with the on sale or anything else. So for now we are going with the shop now, and we can see we got an ad. and see the preview. And here you can see our potential audience size. This is 1 million audience we have in our audience size according to this. How we got that? Pinterest is automatically track everything and find out that for this product and these categories we have 1 million audience listed. So here you go. The process is very simple. From there you just need to choose your country and whoever country you're gonna target. So we're choosing Ireland because we're gonna target Ireland. Okay. And from there, all ages, if you wanted to connect with the 80 plus or anything, you can do this, but I will recommend all ages. So don't need to do anything here. Conversion as it is, checkout, add to cart, we're gonna go with the checkout. And from there, basically our ad is 100% ready. If we just click on publish, we just need to do our billing and our ad is 100% ready. So basically the thing is very simple. So here you can see we are in a different ads campaign, and from there our ad is going to be fully ready. So basically the thing is very simple. This way you just need to run the ads. Simply just follow all of our thing, and whatever the section is, let's say if you wanted to run the shopping campaign on this particular 2 section, then you can run this on particular 2 section. And if you want to run the campaign on or your all of the products, all of your 14,000 products, then you can go with the one campaign going with the all over the 14,000 products. The process is very simple. If you need any help or if you think that this video helped you, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.